Question 16. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. First of all, let's try to understand the problem. An essay competition was organized and it was decided that a winner would get rupees 100 and non-winners would get rupees 25. And when the prize money was distributed, later on when the competition was over, total money distributed was rupees 3000 and total number of participants were 63, and we have to find the number of winners. In order to find the number of winners, we are given three statements that we have just explained. With this information, we will try to solve our question. Hence, we write the given statements. We see here the total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. So we wrote the same. Total prize money distributed equals to rupees 3000. Is in mathematics means equal to. Also, we are given the total number of participants equals to 63. Is again means equal. So we wrote the same. The total number of participants equals to 63. And the question is asking find the number of winners. So let's start by assuming total number of winners as our variable. And we will choose it as small letter w because variables are represented with small letters and we are taking initial letter. So we wrote the same. Let the number of winners equals to w. So it is very obvious that non-winners would be 63 minus w because there are total 63. Therefore, this is sign of therefore in mathematics. Non-winners would be 63 minus w. This bracket simply denotes that it will give us a single number when we will solve it. Because this is sign of because in mathematics, total prize money distributed is rupees 3000 that we wrote in our first given statement. Therefore, it is very obvious again, winners money plus non-winners money would be equal to rupees 3000. So how much do we have winners money based upon our assumptions? A winner is getting rupees 100, so we wrote rupees 100, and it would be multiplied with the total number of winners that we have assumed as w. Therefore, we wrote rupees 100w. Nothing written between variable and its coefficient. It simply means they are getting multiplied. So this complete would give us winners money. Plus sign as it is. What would be non-winners money? It would be how much money we are giving to one winner equals to rupees 25. It is written here. Who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. So we wrote rupees 25. And in order to find the complete non-winners money, we have to multiply the number of non-winners that we found here. That is 63 minus w in brackets. And nothing written here. It again means it is getting multiplied. And that equals to rupees 3000 as it is. We can cancel rupees with rupees because in both sides we are comparing the same quantity. That is rupees. Therefore, we cancel the same rupees with rupees. Here, don't get confused that there are 2 rupees written here. Here it is only single one. This is just the one thing. When we will solve it, we would get rupees only. Also, rupees can be taken as common. This allows us to cancel it here. And also, there is no need to write units when you are solving an equation. You can straight away write in the answer part. Here we are just writing in order to explain you better. So here we are left with 100w as it is plus as it is. Solve it. 25 into 63. We learned very well in our previous classes that how we can solve it easily. Let's try to solve it by distributing it. So 63 can be written as 60 plus 3. Nothing in between means multiplication with 25. This is just we are solving it. So 60 into 25. How we can solve it? Just forget about 0. 5 6 are 30, so we wrote 0. 3 is carry, 6 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15, and this 0 as it is. So 1500. 25 into 3 is simple, 75. Add it, you get 1575. Therefore, we are writing 1575. We have solved this part. Minus as it is, 25 into w is 25w equals 3000 as it is. Here we have same variable. Here it is positive, here it is negative. We are going to cancel it. 100 minus 25 is 75. and sign comes of greater number. So positive was greater, therefore plus 75W. In the same step, we are transposing positive 1575 towards right hand side. It becomes negative. So equals to 3000 as it is minus 1575 because we transposed it. Now we have 75W equals to, we solve it. It is easy subtraction problem. Do it in your mind or in rough space. It comes out to be 1425. At the first look, units place have 5. So it means they are divisible with 5. Get well versed with divisibility rules. So 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 2 is remainder. It becomes 25. So 5 5s are 25. Here on right hand side, 5 2s are 10. 4 is remainder. It becomes 42. So 5 8s are 40. And again we have remainder 2. It becomes 25. So 5 5s are 25. Again we have 5 in our unit places. That is 15 and 285. We are again going to simplify it. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. 3 is remainder. It becomes 35. So 5 7s are 35. For the better understanding, we are color coding it. So here red denotes this part and this color denotes this part. So we are left with 3 and 57. Well, it is divisible by 3 because divisibility rule says if you add the digits, so 7 plus 5 is 12, which is divisible by 3. So we are dividing it with 3. 1 3s are 3, 3 1s are 3. We have remainder 2 and it becomes 27. So 3 9s are 27 and W is separated. Its value came as 19 and we have assumed W as a variable for number of winners, and the question was asking the same, that is find the number of winners. We have straight away came to our answer, that is number of winners equals 19, and we wrote therefore number of winners equals 19. With this our answer is solved, but if we would like to find the non-winners, it is simple. 63 minus 19 will give us 44. That is 44 participants got rupees 25 and 19 participants got rupees 100. So in this way, if we visualize a problem, we could easily find the answers for linear equations in one variable. With this, our question number 16 is completed and this completes our exercise as well.